Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
A variety of factors in photography can cause poor-looking skin tones in your subjects. Elements provides the Adjust for Skin Tone command that attempts to restore human skin tones to a more natural look. You can adjust an entire layer or a selection. It's usually a good idea to select just the areas of skin that you want to adjust using a selection tool so as not to change the other elements of your image unnecessarily. After making your selection, choose Enhance, Adjust Color. Adjust Color for Skin Tone from the menu bar. Click into an area of skin that you want to change. Click around until you achieve your desired results. You can also use the Skin and Ambient Light sliders to make further adjustments. Tan adds and removes brown, while Blush adds and removes red. The temperature changes the overall color, warmer or red to the right, and cooler or blue to the left. Click the OK button when you are done.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.